Hi there, this is Mandy with TI, and if you are a Red Sox fan, then maybe you want to check this very nice cap from 47 MLB Unisex Red Sox cap. I really like this one. I be wearing it like not just for when I go to games, I also wear this cap going outside when it's sunny around. It does fit very nice, so I really like it. And I like these in here because when I'm going out, if there is some sun around, it will cover my eyes so it won't get like direct light in my eyes. So that's what I like it. I want to show you a closer view about it. So I would like to show you how it looks. As you can see, I've been wearing it for so long and very often. Actually keeps the color pretty well. I really like my cap. It looks so nice. And sometimes if I'm a little bit hot because of the weather, so what I usually do is just to wear it and in a way that I just tie my hair and it will still look nice. So this is like what I like about this. So you can just style your hair as you want and it will still look pretty. So I recommend you if you want these for you as a present. And again, it's unisex, anybody that wants it. And if you like it, I recommend you to try it, but this is just my point of view.